Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to set up a proxy server on Windows 11. Configuring a proxy server on your Windows 11 device can enhance privacy, security, and access to restricted content. That said, let's get started. So first you have to hit the Start button and then choose the Settings gear icon. And in the Settings window, click on Network and Internet tab in the left sidebar. After that, select Proxy from the sidebar. And under Automatic Proxy Setup, you have two options. Automatically Detect Settings. Toggle this on to allow Windows to detect proxy settings automatically. Use Setup Script. If your organization provides a proxy setup script, toggle this on and enter the script address. And now it's time to learn how to configure Manual Proxy Setup. Under Manual Proxy Setup, toggle on User Proxy Server, and then you have to enter the proxy IP address and port provided by your proxy service. If you don't want to use the proxy server for certain websites, enter their addresses in the exceptions box separated by semicolons. And then you can decide whether to use the proxy server for local intranet addresses by toggling the respective option. And then you have to hit the Save option to apply the settings. Interestingly, you can also access proxy settings via the control panel on your Windows 11 device. To do so, launch the control panel and then navigate to Network and Internet option. And after that, select Internet options. And then you have to go to Connections tab and click on LAN Settings. Here you can configure proxy settings similarly to the Settings tab. And now it's time to learn how to disable proxy settings on your Windows 11 device. To do so, just return to the same proxy settings in the Network and Internet section via the Settings tab. And then you have to turn off the toggle right next to User Proxy Server under Manual Proxy Setup, and there you have it. So that's how you can easily set up and customize proxy server on your Windows 11 device. Now that you have unlocked this neat method, make the most of it to enhance your security and privacy game. And I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Take care. Bye-bye.